In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to subscribe to YouTube Primetime Channels. Let's get started. Primetime Channels lets you subscribe to select streaming providers and access their movies, TV shows, live sports, and exclusive content without leaving YouTube. To get started, launch YouTube app or visit the official website of YouTube. Sign into your Google account. Next, look for the movies and TV section or search for a specific channel or streaming service you want to subscribe to. When you open a participating Primetime channel, you will see information about the subscription, including pricing and available content. Click or tap the subscribe button and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your purchase using your Google payment method. Once your subscription is active, you can browse and watch content from the channel directly within YouTube, and all eligible shows, movies, live events will be available from your library and recommendations. You can manage, upgrade, or cancel your subscriptions at any time by going to your YouTube account settings and opening the purchases and membership section. Keep in mind that available primetime channels may vary depending on your country or region. And that's it. You now know how to subscribe to YouTube primetime channels. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.